Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a presentation by using MagicSlides add-on. So here, we'll go to the MagicSlides add-on and we are just going to install it. As soon as we click on install, it will ask us to log in through the account, and once we are finished, this dialog box will open. Now we'll go to the Google Slides, and here in Google Slides, we will go to the extensions tab. So let's go to extensions tab, and here we have MagicSlides app, and here we'll go to the PDF to PPT option. So it will ask us either to upload the PDF or enter the PDF URL. Right now I have a PDF, so I'm going to upload it. So here I have uploaded it, and it will ask number of slides you want to create. The limit right now is 10 only, and the language or which kind of presentation you want to create, a custom or a bullet points. And here you will click on generate outline. So it will tell us about the seconds it will take, and here we are going to click on the generate slides. It will tell us about the headings, subheadings. If we want to edit it, we can just add it, and here just click on the generate slide option. So by just using this add-on, we have created our presentation.